Hey everybody, it's Matty Van Halen. If you're looking for Fit for Expedition, you found him.
Sci-fi horror thriller.
Hey, this is Greg with Fit for Expedition, and we were at the Arizona Ironwood 2023 meetup. What's going on over here, Ron?
Oh, just working on a little build out.
This is where your cabinet's gonna go, right?
Yeah, there's gonna be some cabinets in there. This is the bottom of a cabinet that'll have doors on the front of it, and this will bring it out. This will be where the water jug stays.
Okay, and you're gonna cut this right here, right? And cut the hinge. Is that still the plan?
Yeah.
So that you can still get access.
Yeah, this is gonna be dead space.
So under here, I don't know if you're familiar with Honda Odysseys, but there's a storage compartment down here. Yeah. That is where the seats usually tuck down to. You probably can't open it now because you got that. You're doing your prototype kind of here.
Yeah.
So.
But there is from here down is probably about 1 foot.
Yeah.
Maybe a little less.
Yeah.
And it spans side to side. In order to create another way of opening up into this, I'm gonna build a cabinet around this and then cut this out to where there's a hatch inside of it.
Okay.
That'll lift up.
Good idea.
Inside the cabinet.
But this worked great for your temporary build.
This worked great for this trip because there is stuff under there. Yeah. For this trip temporarily, it was great. Great option.
But this is Ron's tent, so this is kind of like this is like his living room right here. This is living room, and then that's his bedroom and his office up there. Thanks for showing us that. And hey, what's your channel?
My name's Ron. I'm with Ron Sees America.
This is Jacques, and this is Gracie. Gracie belongs to Jacques, right?
Yes, I do. Yes, I am Jacques' mistress. Jacques is my master. Yes.
That's right.
So hey, what's your channel right now?
GracieandJacqsAdventures.
GracieandJacqsAdventures, and they're out here at the Arizona Ironwood Meetup. And of course, this is my box truck, and we've been out for a while now. We've been out for about a month. This is what we live in when we're on the road, and this is a recent addition where we put our generator. And some of you might be familiar with Mike, Adventures of Traveling Mike here.
How's it going?
It's going well. How you doing, Mike?
Good.
You're on camera, just to let you know.
All right.
And I wanted to show you all his setup, and you're like full-time. So this is his full-time trailer, but you want to show us around?
Sure. Okay. So the trailer, 2017.
Okay.
5x10 Vinos. I had the window put in when I ordered it.
Okay.
I've got 400 watts of solar on the roof. And then I had the 5-gallon gas can put on.
Okay.
That's for my generator.
Okay. And that's like the jerry can.
Yeah.
Those are heavy duty.
Standard electrical plug.
Right, so you can plug in the shore power or generator. So you've got a ramp door. So you want to show us inside?
Sure.
Okay. And this, well, actually, this is what he pulls the trailer with. Is this Nissan
Nissan
Armada, a Nissan Armada, which is basically an SUV. It's four-wheel drive. So this is the interior of Mike's home, and this is his home, his permanent home. So this is called tiny living.
Yes, it is.
So what do you got here?
Well, starting in the front, my 12-volt electrical switches, lights, fan, and let me move that. Fuse box for those.
Uh-huh.
So.
Oh, and got some cool lights up there. That's awesome. Now it's a red light district.
So I've got the LED strip lighting going all around.
Okay.
And what's nice is we ran it behind the cabinet, so you can have lighting in the cabinet.
Oh, nice. That's cool. Good idea.
So.
Good idea.
And then I have some under cabinet lighting on both sides.
Okay. Yeah. Cool.
And then
are those 12 volt?
Yep.
Okay.
And then everything is 12 volt. And then I do a strip going across the middle there.
How wide did you say this trailer was?
5 foot by 10 foot.
Okay.
5 foot height.
But you are talking about possibly extending the height of it.
Either extending the height, raising it a foot, or selling it and buying a new one.
And just moving everything into it?
That or just redoing it. Okay. And then on this side, another cabinet. Same thing, lighting behind it. Mm-hmm. And then this one, pots, pans, my cooktop, and accessories and little extra food storage.
Cool. Cool.
I do have a single burner cooktop, either propane or butane. So I have the extra line in here to hook to it if I needed it.
Nice.
Little body heater that I use
those
for
are
heat.
great.
Air conditioner when I'm either plugged in or on the generator.
But when you try to run the propane heater and you got the humidity from the East Coast, do you get a lot of moisture in here?
Yes.
Okay, so it works great here, but maybe not so great.
On the East Coast, I would definitely have windows more open than just a crack. And even then, it's a hit or miss.
Okay.
Depending on the temperature and whatnot.
Yeah.
And then 12 volt fridge.
Okay.
And it's nice because it's on rollers, so I can, where I have the mobility issues, I can just pull it out.
Uh-huh.
Oh, so.
And that's a FOHO.
Yep. 44 quart.
And that's enough for you?
Oh yeah.
44 quart.
Yeah.
Now you don't have a freezer. I know you talked about having another one for a freezer.
Yeah. And I may down the road get a smaller one just for a freezer, but
you don't need much for a freezer. You can get the smallest one.
All right. So sink, USB pump for the water.
Okay.
And then 6 gallons of water underneath.
Okay.
So 3 gallons each on each side.
Gotcha. And the all-important Mountain Dew.
Yes.
So what do you have for your power?
Okay, so underneath here, I've got a 12 volt lithium setup, 12 volt 300 amp battery pack that I built myself.
Cool.
At the time, it was cheaper to buy the cells than buy a 12 volt battery altogether.
Okay.
A 3000 watt pure sine inverter back here on the wall. Down in here is my charge controller.
It looks like you're really compact living, but you have the Armada. So you have lots of room in the Armada.
Oh yeah.
But stuff, yeah.
So that's mainly my garage.
Yes. That's kind of a cool curtain.
Yeah.
I like that. You want to show us how you put your bed together?
Real easy.
That's a thick mattress.
10-inch thick. It's difficult to actually sit down on because my feet don't touch the ground. Sleeping wise, pretty much a queen size bed. But yeah, that's it.
All right. What did you think of the meetup?
It was great. It was good. Met quite a few different people.
Yeah, we had a real array of different type of people here. So, and this is the last day, so we've lost about half. We had almost 40 people. We lost about half of them so far. So, but that happens because it's a Monday, right? It's Monday?
Monday.
Yeah. All right. Well, you want to tell us what your channel name is and everything?
The Adventures of Traveling Mike, and I do a live stream 11 p.m. nightly, 11 p.m. Eastern, every night, unless I do not have service.
Is that 7 days a week?
Yeah.
Awesome.
7 days a week.
For those who don't know, Mike actually did a 58 day straight 24-hour a day live stream on his channel. So he's really into the live streams. Great. Thanks a lot.
No problem.
So there you have the finishing day of the meetup, and I didn't really film much from the meetup, but there's lots of video out there because there were lots of channels here. And I'm gonna link to the channels that were here. Well, everybody that I can remember that were here, including like Maddie Van Halen and Bunny Plays Here and Aussie Van Man and Adventures with Amanda. I wish I could have had them in the video, but some people had to take off. Obviously, everybody has a different direction to go. So we will see you next time, and thanks for checking this out. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and please like this video. Thanks. Hey guys, if you like the videos that we post here on the channel, please hit that subscribe button. If you like this particular video, give it a thumbs up.